Hi there, and welcome to County College, the Information Technology Department. I'm Tania Mahood. I'm the Information Technology Director and Chief Technology Officer here at Deschutes County. I have been in IT for over 30 years, spanning private and public sectors. Most recently, I was at Oregon State University Cascades overseeing their IT department, and I have been in Bend for over 20 years. So Deschutes County IT operates as the backbone for the county's technology needs. So our mission is to deliver professional solutions, support, and consultation that enables Deschutes County to contribute to the success of our residents. Our North Star, our IT vision, is to be a trusted partner that empowers people through technology solutions. So we offer a comprehensive range of services, which breaks my group up into 5 pillars. First is operations. That includes infrastructure, enterprise solutions, that's software, and service desk. Then there's applications and data, that's reporting of that information, data management, and graphic information systems, geospatial mapping. Cybersecurity, and then business solutions. So my team of 22 dedicated professionals works collaboratively across my team and the county to effectively deliver these services. So Deschutes County IT supports approximately 24 departments and offices, each with their own unique needs. We do have distributed IT. That means dedicated IT professionals in some of these departments and offices. And we also have folks that are shadow IT, which are folks that are not in an IT role, but act as a technical resource. So not all support is sourced through the central IT department. So like I said, we have lots of services that we provide to the county, and I've listed them out here, and I'm going to go through each one of them so that you have an understanding of what they mean. First one is infrastructure and connectivity. That's internet access for the internal and external users. And it also includes server hosting, management, and network design. Communication and collaboration. That's supporting and maintaining email, telephones, web conferencing, and then also providing collaboration tools like Teams and Smartsheet. And then files and documents, that's file storage, restoration, backing them up, document management, and archiving all those documents and files. Desktop equipment and software. So we purchase devices, those are laptops and desktops, and we provision them, and then we manage the life cycle of them and the software that's on them. With help and support, we have a full service help desk for help and problem resolution. That includes after hours support, and that really is the heart of our department. So for security, we review contracts and software to make sure that we're meeting best practices. We deliver training. We secure the endpoints. Those are those laptop and desktops that the employees are using. And then we also configure the back-end environments, so networking and infrastructure, to make sure it's meeting cybersecurity best practices. For employee services, that's the onboarding and offboarding of employees, the lifecycle management of their accounts, and of course, training the employees. Accounts and access, that's making sure they're accessing the right systems, the right software, and they have the right permissions. And that's whether they're on-premise, meaning in our buildings, or they're remote. Consulting, we do software training, procurement consultations, whether they should buy it, is it supportable, is it sustainable, is it secure. We do solutions development and security advising as well. Data, that's that geospatial technology, that GIS mapping, and that's to support the county planning and development. Data storage and reporting as well. So application development and integration, that's building and integrating solutions to meet the county's unique needs. So a good example is DIAL, the online property information system. And last one, application management. So we have a whole host of software that we support for various functions across the county. And we just need to make sure that they're reliable, they're up to date, and they're secure. One of the newest applications and innovations we've adopted and governed is artificial intelligence. So definitely a hot topic. All right, cybersecurity. So in the current digital landscape, safeguarding our digital assets against cyber threats is the top of my list. So at Deschutes County IT, we're proactively enhancing our cybersecurity framework all the time. And that includes your data. And that's making sure that it's safe and secure. So some examples of residential data that we are protecting are election data, public health, credit card information, taxes, and permit information. So this data can have personally identifiable information, it could have credit card information, health information, or criminal justice data. So to provide you some cybersecurity stats, there's about 210,000 residents in Deschutes County and around 1,500 employees. So every week we receive and send about 250,000 emails. That's a lot. And 2 terabytes, that's also a ton of data that's going in and out of external applications weekly. So lots of information that's being passed around that we're protecting and ensuring it's handled appropriately. So it takes about $7 million to run the IT department, and that's separated into 3 buckets. General operations, which is the majority of our personnel, and then material and services. And then we have a reserve that's forecasted over 10 years for major replacements and projects. And then lastly, a fund that's specific to our GIS program. All of our costs are recovered by internal service charges to the departments at the county who we provide services to. In 2023, I conducted listening sessions, surveys, and research and collected all of that information about where the IT department is now and where do we want to go, and created a 5-year strategic plan that started in 2024, and that led to 8 goals. So as a change advocate, my vision is to lead Deschutes County IT toward a future of innovation, and that's balancing efficiency and fiscal responsibility. So I really believe that involves cultivating a culture that embraces change, which is hard, but IT is all about change. And then as well as prioritizing service delivery, super important, making sure that we are making folks happy, getting them the things that they need, and ensuring that they're efficient and effective. And then of course, continuing to explore new technology. That includes the IT presentation, and we look forward to meeting you soon.